Hello friends, today we are going to learn how we're going to insert the citation in any Word document manually. This is one of the basic method of inserting the citation if you're writing any research paper or any article, or if you want to include the citation in your thesis. So this is one of the example which I'm picking up. This is the definition of spirituality which was given by the authors, and I have to cite those authors in this research paper. So how I'm going to insert the citation? So first we are going to go in the reference tab. We'll click on the reference tab. Once you click the reference tab, you can see the citation and bibliography section. So in this, then we are going to go into insert citation. We'll click insert citation, a tab which says add new source. We're going to click on add new source. Once we have clicked on it, we'll get another window which has been popped out. Now we have to choose the type of source. Means from where you have picked this particular definition. If we open this, we can see the different type of sources. Like for example, here we have a book section, journal article. What exactly it means that from where you have picked this definition. This definition is picked from a book, or it is a book section, or it is any general article, or it has been picked from any conference proceeding, any report, website, any electronic source, etc. Okay. So for this, in this case, this definition has been picked out from the general article. So I've choose the option general article. After which I have to add the author name. Now, of course, we have to save or download the paper from which this definition has been picked on. In my case, I have already had this paper with me, which has been saved in my folders. Now we can see that this is the research paper from which I have taken this definition of spirituality. Now, as I can see, it is asking for the author's name. Now the authors' names are already given over here, which is Don P. Asmus and Dennis Dugan. So I'm going to enter the names of the author. So I have entered the first name of the author. Before adding the second author's name, I'll add a semicolon. After adding a semicolon, give a space. And then we are going to enter the name of the second author. Now we have added the name of the authors. After that, we're going to add the title. Title basically means the title of your research paper. So the title of research paper is Spirituality at Work, a Conceptualization and Measure. So we're going to add the name of the title of the research paper, that is Spirituality at Work, a Conceptualization and Measure. Now, this third option comes to be the general name. General name basically means in which journal it has been published. So, if we scroll down, we can see that it has been published in the Journal of Management Inquiry. So, we enter the name of that journal over here, that is Journal of Management Inquiry. Now, it is asking for the year. Year is in which year it has been published. So we can see that it has been published in month June and year 2000. So we're going to enter the year, that is 2000. Then we have to do the entry of the pages. Pages means on which page number it has been published in the particular journal. So it has been published in Journal of Management Inquiry at the page number 134 to 145. So we'll enter the page number, that is 134 to 145. Now we can also see the add-on information which is given in this research paper. This is, we can see that it is, the volume number is also given, the issue number is also given, and the publication is also given, that is being published by Sage Publications. So if we want to add this information also, we'll click on show all bibliography details. Now once we have entered this, we can see the month has also come. So we'll add month June because it was published in June 2000. Publisher was Sage. And then we have volume. Volume was 9. And issue was 2, I think. Yes, issue was 2. So once we have added all the information which is given over here in the research paper, we'll click into OK. And we can see the citation has been added in my text. So I'll just format this thing. Once I've formatted it, now you can see that the citation has been added. So we go to the reference, we have different styles of writing the citation. And the most common is your APA style. But there are certain cases where some of the journals ask for different citations like Chicago style, or they ask for IEEE. So normally in the management journals, they go for APA and IEEE style. So in the case, if you want to go into different style also, for example, if we want to go into IEEE style, so we have to just click and we have to select that, and we'll get the reference form of a brackets and written as 1. So we have different methods of writing these citations. Okay. Once we have added the citation, now at the end of the research paper, you have to add the references. So how to do that? How to get those references? I mean, what does this 1 stand for over here? The bibliography, we'll click on bibliography icon and we'll choose in which pattern we have to do. We have to choose bibliography, we have to write in the form of references or works cited. For example, I'm choosing reference, then I'll click on reference and this reference comes over here. So over here, if it is coming at 1, so 1 basically stands for the author Asmussen Dukin, the title of the research paper, the journal in which it is being published, the volume number, the issue number, the page numbers, and the year which has been published. So it is giving all the details of these things. But if I choose that as APA style, so APA style is represented over here in a different manner, and the references style has also been changed. As you can see, the pattern is different. Over there in IEEE, the year was written at the end, but over here the year is written at the just before, after the names of the author. I hope this video is helpful to you, that how we should add the citation manually in our research papers. The second part of the video is based on how to add the citation or how to insert the citation with the help of using a software Mendeley. Thank you.